Hey guys, it's me, Ben, here at Neha Wireless, going live just to wish everyone a good morning and hope everyone is having a great Saturday so far. As you can see, we have a little bit of everything available here at Neha Wireless. Not the broom and the dustpan, though. We do have a little bit of everything else, though. We have tons of accessories for your phones, gaming, tablets, AirPods, earbuds in general. We have tons of stuff, guys. We also offer leasing. So leasing with no credit checks or anything of that nature. You can take anything in the store home today for $80. And as you can see, we have these electric scooters up here, and I'm seriously considering one. Where I live is kind of rural, so I live on a long street, and it's paved and everything, so I'm thinking about getting one of these myself, just to kind of run around. But anyways, I'm really considering that. But anyways, those are really fun. I have played on those around here, so those are really nice. Leasing is available for those. And guys, they can go up to 16 point some odd miles an hour, and I believe it's about 20 miles on one single charge. I believe. All right, guys, and let us not forget that we do a lot with phones. So if you need a phone repair, look no further. We can help you out with that. We also offer like the Apple Watches, iPhones. All of our iPhones are pretty much unlocked. So any service carrier that you have, we can pretty much set someone up with. One of our phones, excuse me. All right. And then we also have the Nintendo Switches. We offer service plans, phone cases, you name it, guys. So get in here and check us out. We look forward to seeing you.